When most Redmond homeowners think about replacing their windows, they usually focus on energy efficiency, comfort, or improving curb appeal. But one of the most important, and often overlooked, benefits of modern replacement windows is the significant security upgrade they bring to your home. Windows are one of the most common entry points for intruders, and outdated or damaged windows make your property far more vulnerable than you may realize. If you're considering upgrading the windows in your Redmond home, here's how replacement windows can dramatically enhance your home's security and peace of mind. Stronger, more durable frame materials. Older window frames, especially those made of aging wood or aluminum, can weaken over time due to weather, moisture, and general wear. This makes them easier to force open, pry, or break. Modern replacement windows offer far superior frame strength, with materials such as fiberglass, known for exceptional rigidity and impact resistance, vinyl, reinforced with internal chambers for added durability, composite frames, combining the strength of multiple materials, aluminum-clad frames, offering strong structural support. These upgraded frames make it much harder for an intruder to break, crack, or compromise your windows. Advanced multi-point locking systems. One of the biggest improvements in modern replacement windows is the addition of high-security locking mechanisms. While older windows often rely on a single simple latch, today's models use multi-point locks that secure the sash tightly to the frame at several connection points. This improves home security by preventing forced openings, reducing leverage points for intruders, creating a tighter seal against tampering, providing greater resistance to lock manipulation. Some windows even come with concealed locks, making them harder for intruders to locate or break. Impact-resistant and laminated glass options. Standard single-pane glass is easy to break, one of the biggest security concerns in older homes. Replacement windows often feature double or triple pane glass, which is far stronger and more shatter-resistant. For even greater protection, Redmond homeowners can choose laminated glass, which stays intact even when cracked; tempered safety glass, designed to resist breakage; impact-resistant glass, similar to what's used in storm-rated windows. Even if struck with force, impact-rated laminated glass remains in place, preventing intruders from gaining access and giving your family crucial time to react. Reduced vulnerability from warping and wear. Time, weather, and moisture can cause older windows to warp or pull away from the frame, creating gaps. These weaknesses make it easy for intruders to pry open a window, even if the lock is engaged. New replacement windows eliminate these vulnerabilities with precision fit installation, tightly sealed frames, stronger materials that resist warping, better resistance to Redmond's rainy climate. This structural integrity helps protect your home from both break-ins and moisture damage. Improved visibility. While maintaining safety, security isn't just about keeping intruders out, it's also about giving homeowners visibility to what's happening around their property. New replacement windows are clearer, cleaner, and often larger, offering improved sightlines without compromising safety. Benefits include better views of your yard, driveway, and surroundings, easier monitoring of outdoor activity, improved nighttime visibility with modern glass coatings. Many homeowners combine replacement windows with smart home lighting or cameras for an added layer of protection. Security through better installation. Even the strongest window won't protect your home if it's installed poorly. Professional installation ensures the frame is secured tightly to the wall, locks align properly and work smoothly, glass is seated correctly, no gaps or weaknesses remain around the window. This not only improves efficiency and comfort, it strengthens your home's defenses. Added home value and peace of mind. Security upgrades increase your home's overall value. Buyers appreciate homes with modern replacement windows because they know the property is safer, more efficient, and better protected from both intruders and weather. For Redmond families, the peace of mind alone is worth the investment. Final thoughts. Replacement windows aren't just an aesthetic upgrade, they're a powerful way to enhance your home's security. With stronger materials, better locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and professional installation, today's windows significantly improve your Redmond home's protection.